Very good morning, dear students. Today I'm going to discuss about sectional views in your engineering drawing. Okay. So, my dear students, as till now, when you are drawing different types of views in your engineering drawing, so basically you have drawn front view, top view, left view, right view, all the sides view as per the the object orientation in different quadrant and in different types of projection system, like in orthographic projection, like in isometric projection, or in point projection. You have seen that you are drawing generally front view and top view. Okay, now my dear students, it's very important to understand the concept of a sectional view. ठीक है. सो डियर स्टूडेंट्स, बेसिकली जो सेक्शनल व्यू हमारे पास ड्राइंग में है, सो सेक्शनल व्यू हम लोग क्यों यूज करते हैं कि कोई भी ऑब्जेक्ट है, इफ़ वी वांट टू सी दैट द इनर पार्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट, अगर हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट के अंदर का पार्ट हमको विजुअलाइज प्रॉपर नहीं हो रहा है बाहर से देखने पर, तो हम क्या करते हैं कि उस ऑब्जेक्ट को वी आर ट्राइंग टू कट इनटू टू हाफ्स. ओके, in from any direction and from any kind of a, you can say, a reference. You can take a plane as a reference, either from a horizontal plane or a vertical plane. You can cut that object into two halves. Okay, and आप उस ऑब्जेक्ट को आप कट दो हाफ में कर रहे हैं. इसके अलावा आप उस ऑब्जेक्ट को डिफरेंट एंगल पे भी कट कर सकते हैं, टू विजुअलाइज, टू चेक और टू सी द इनर सेक्शन और द इनर पार्ट ऑफ दैट पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट. इसीलिए हम लोग क्या करते हैं, सेक्शनल व्यू का यूज़ करते हैं अपने इंजीनियरिंग ड्राइंग में डिफरेंट ऑब्जेक्ट्स के इनर पार्ट को शो करने के लिए. ओके, सो मैनी इन आवर इंजीनियरिंग एप्लीकेशंस देयर आर मैनी ऑब्जेक्ट्स विच आर क्वाइट कॉम्प्लिकेटेड. तो उनका जो इंटरनल जो पार्ट है, उनका जो इंटरनल व्यू है, उसको विजुअलाइज करने के लिए, उसको शो करने के लिए भी पीपल जनरली आर यूजिंग सेक्शनल व्यू. ओके, नाउ गो टू आवर नेक्स्ट पेज. You can see that here as mentioned, to produce a sectional view, a cutting plane is imagined cutting through the part as shown here in this particular figure. And in this particular figure, my dear students, you can see that आप देख सकते हैं the left side picture which is shown over here A, and the right hand side picture which is shown over here with the mark B. You can see that the part A is cutted into two halves. The A part is cutted, this one particular part is cutted further into here into two parts at picture B. You can see that from the vertical plane, the vertical plane we are using, and from the mid of that particular part we cut that particular part into two halves. You can see here how it is showing over here. So this is known as a sectioning in drawing. This is very important perspective from the object orientation, and to draw the different views of any object in your drawing sheet. And sectioning or sectional view are very important. Okay, so when you will do a real time engineering applications, when you will do a complicated object, you will always find the applicability of a sectional view in your engineering drawing. Okay, so now go to next slide. You can see that how we can draw, how we can do a full section. You can say that the section produced by cutting through the entire object is called a full section. So my dear students, what is known as a full section? Full section is nothing but when we are producing a sectional view, when we are cutting that object entirely, fully we are cutting that particular object, that is known as a full section. Okay, you can see that how this is the front view. From here we are going to cut this particular object into two halves, and here at C you can see that this is a sectional view of this particular object when we are going to cut into this particular direction. You can see that. Okay, so this is how we are going to cut. Now next, to move slide. The cutting plane. Okay, so basically the cutting plane is show a special pattern. Okay, the arrows at the end of the cutting plane line indicate the direction of sight for the section view. My dear students, you can see that here. This is very important. You can see that here I'm showing, here I'm highlighting over here. Look at here, A. and it is ended with some arrowhead, means that this arrowhead is showing the direction of cutting, and this is the plane you can say through which we are going to cut that particular object. Okay, आइदर हम लोग या तो हॉरिजॉन्टल प्लेन के थ्रू या फिर हम वर्टिकल साइड से वर्टिकल प्लेन के थ्रू उस ऑब्जेक्ट को कट करने की कोशिश करेंगे. ओके, सो दैट इज नोन एज ए कटिंग प्लेन. ओके, now move to next slide. Cutting plane line patterns. Here you can see that these kind of cutting planes you will find in while you are cutting an object to for getting a sectional view. Okay, this is a plane and these are the arrowhead. How this in this particular manner you have to draw your plane on object to which you are going to be cut into two halves. Okay, I hope you are understanding this particular. Okay, so now we will move to our next slide. So interpreting cutting planes and sections. So sectional views are often replace standard views as figure shown. The cutting plane is a frontal plane and appears as a line in the top view. The arrows at the end of the cutting plane line point in the direction of side for front section. Okay, the result is called a front section or front view in section, since it replaces the front view in the drawing. So my dear students, you can see here that in this particular object, you can see here that this particular object, you can clearly see here that now how from a vertical plane side, from a vertical plane, you can see that this particular plane, vertical plane, we are trying to cut this particular object into two halves from this particular plane, and this is the direction. So you will find this particular direction, and now my dear students, you will find that again this particular object is cutting through the horizontal plane side, and in this particular direction you can see in this particular second object. तीसरे ऑब्जेक्ट में आप लोग देख सकते हैं कि वी आर कटिंग दिस पर्टिकुलर ऑब्जेक्ट ऑफ in vertical plane using a vertical plane from both direction, in this direction also and in this direction also. So we are getting the sectional view according to that, on which direction and from which plane we are going to cut that particular object into different directions. Okay, now move to next slide. My dear students, I will try to give you a brief about, you can see here there are different types of geometries which are cut into the parts, and one very very important things, my dear students. Okay, in any sectional view you will find here that there is kind of a here, like for an example, you can see here that when we cut this particular object into two halves from this particular plane AA, you can see that that sectional part, there is some inclined lines over here, there are some inclined lines over here. It means that these lines are known as hatching lines. So when we will cut, जब भी हम किसी ऑब्जेक्ट को दो हाफ में कट करने की कोशिश करेंगे किसी भी प्लेन के थ्रू, either from horizontal plane or a vertical plane, to find the sectional view, so it will always form in the form of a hatching lines. Means that जहाँ जहाँ आपका वो solid part cut होगा वो आपका क्या hatching line से covered up होगा. So basically these are nothing but these are, you can say that these are hatching, these inclined lines are known as hatching lines, and these lines are inclined at an angle of a 45 degree from horizontal. Okay, so my dear students, horizontal lines you can find here. You can find here also, you can see that these highlighted part, the solid part is using hatching lines. You can see that. Now I will show you in another part. Look at that here. The side of this part is using hatching lines. You can see that the hatching lines are nothing but to represent a sectional views are used. Okay, and these lines are inclined at an angle of approximate 45 degree towards horizontal. Okay, so it's very very important. I hope you understand the phenomena or the concept of sectional view. Okay, so now how to choose a cutting plane. So basically you can see that there is an object. The illustration below shows you two views of a collar to be sectioned. It has drilled and counterbore hole. To produce a clear section showing both the counterbore hole and the similar hole near the top of the object, choose the cutting plane to pass through the vertical center line in the front view and imagine the right of the object which is removed. So basically from this particular direction, from vertical plane, from the center of the object, we are trying to cut this particular object into two halves. Okay, from after that we will find this particular section view of this particular object. So my dear स्टूडेंट, जैसे कि आप लोग देख सकते हैं, स्टेप 1 में हमारे पास एक ऑब्जेक्ट था, हमको इसका एक सेक्शनल व्यू दिखाना था, जिससे कि हमको इसका इंटरनल पार्ट पता चल जाए कि हाँ इसके टॉप में एक होल है, नीचे बॉटम में भी एक होल है। ओके, तो इसको कैसे शो करना है, इसको हमने क्या करा, एक वर्टिकल प्लेन के थ्रू इसको हाफ में रख के इसको कट करने की कोशिश की, और उसके बाद देखो आप कि हमको ये सेक्शनल व्यू मिला इसमें। ओके, तो नाउ माय डियर स्टूडेंट्स, यू कैन सी अगेन हियर द सॉलिड पार्ट्स वेयर फ्रॉम इट कटेड, यू कैन सी दैट द हैचिंग लाइन्स आर यूज्ड, एंड एट the center you can see there are no hatching lines, means that there is a hole. Where there is a hollow space, where there will be a hole kind of a thing, there will be no hatching lines will be. Only in the solid parts you will get, or you will have to draw your hatching lines to represent the sectional view. Okay, so now you can see that we have so many examples are available here. You can see here in the picture how we can see that, and you can also see the representation of hatching lines over that, how the section lines or hatching lines are represented over here. Okay, so half sections we can cut. Okay, okay, and these I can say that we can cut a section from different plane, either from horizontal plane, either from vertical plane, or at any angle, at 10 degree, 20 degree, 30 degree, at which angle we want to cut that particular plane, we can cut and we can create a section view from that particular portion. Okay, so you can see that half section, here is a broken out section. Okay, you can see clearly here. After that, the revolved sections, you can see that how we are going to show the revolved section. Okay, now you can see that how the sectional views are represented over here. Okay, so there are number of engineering applications are available where we are not able to clearly visualize the part or the object from the external side. We have to cut it and we have to create a sectional view to clear the visualization of that particular object. Okay, there are different types of sections we can create. Okay, so these are the few examples here. Okay, so you can see that line sections. Okay, so we have different types of views, intersection sectioning, conventional breaks, and different types of again you can see that the examples here, sectioning. Okay, so oblique sections we have, or you can say in the drawing ultimately you can see that how the section views are represented over here for this particular object. Okay, so my dear students, that's basic or the fundamental behind that is that to visualize the part from its inner side, we are going to cut into two halves from different angles from different planes, and how to represent it you can see clearly here, and that's how we are going to create a sectional view, which is very important in engineering drawing. Okay, I hope you understand it, and again I will say you that please revise it and okay, understand it. Okay, thank you so much.